Hi everyone. How are you doing today? It is Sunday. Thank you so much for joining me. Today it looks like I was having some video recording issues and I could not get it rectified. So I do apologize that I will not be posting a video today, but I shall make sure that I get everything fixed and situated for next week. But just so that you know what we will be looking at would be a couple of things, and I want to just show you them here. So these basically, if you can see, I'm sorry, there we go. These are actually cards I made using Q-tip and of course cotton buds. I did some Q-tip flowers. I did, this lovely card piece here. I added the some supposed flowers, in the grass and in the trees, and I used the cotton bud for the clouds. This was just another, again, experiment with the cotton buds. This should be clouds, actually. Shouldn't be upside down. This here, I also tried using it to, just get like a floral background as well. And these were just like, dabbing them like the q-tips on the paper. So this is what I was using. So just that what the video would be about next week, if you want to join me for that one. And of course our good old cute cotton bud, sorry. So again, I humbly apologize that I wasn't able to actually post the video, but thank you so much for your patience and I shall see you guys next week. Be safe, have a wonderful week, and God bless. Bye.